Success. I just wanted to show you a comparison of what we got going here. You see the left side here, I've already removed it, and the right side on the screen anyway, that where we're going to remove it. You saw that on there. I had the masking tape on. Let me just show you a little trick when you're working with paint. Gel coat can do this too, but you'll see it'll chip on the edge when you start cutting and grinding on stuff like this. So best thing to do is use an X-Acto. It's got clear coat on it. As you can see, the chips in the clear coat from getting beat up. I mean, it's only about 5 years old, 4 or 5, 6 years old, this paint job. So you take in with the tape on and slice the clear coat. So when you cut and grind, hopefully the clear doesn't come off past the point that you're taking the stuff off. So it worked out pretty good on this side. Just another little tip from RPM. Love y'all. Godspeed. Don't make fun of my up close glasses now. I'm getting old. But we're going to go ahead and finish cutting this out, and then we may pop the cylinder off and take a look, see if there's any more scratches and scoring on the chrome. From the last time you saw, we wrapped that diamond paper stuff around it and run the hone through there and took that stuff out. But we'll take a look. We got Dennis Bernier giving me his bore gauge and some other instruments of measurement and destruction. And we'll pop the cylinder off, and we'll measure the cylinder, and we'll measure the skirt of the piston and all that stuff, and get an idea of wall clearance and all that. I mean, I just put the same size piston that came in the motor. The piston that was in it was from the factory, so I just assumed, I just throw the same one in. Didn't even bother really to measure anything other than the ring end gap. But that's it. Just one more little look at things we're doing to get that water temperature down.